Welcome to our new video. In this video, we'll take an exciting journey into the brain, the most complex organ in the human body. From the basic structures and functions of the brain to the fascinating world of neuroplasticity, we'll explore how the brain can adapt and change in response to new experiences throughout our lives. We'll uncover 10 amazing facts about the brain and neuroplasticity, ranging from the production of new neurons to the effects of meditation on the brain. Join us as we delve into the science behind the brain and discover how we can use the power of neuroplasticity to improve our cognitive abilities and enhance our overall well-being. Number 1. The human brain is composed of the cerebrum, cerebellum, and brainstem. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain and is responsible for conscious thought, memory, and emotion. The cerebellum is located underneath the cerebrum and is responsible for coordination and balance. The brainstem links the brain to the spinal cord and controls automatic functions such as breathing and heart rate. Number 2. Neurons are specialized cells that communicate with each other through electrical and chemical signals. Each neuron has three main parts: the cell body, dendrites, and axon. Dendrites receive signals from other neurons, while the axon sends signals to other neurons. Number 3. While it is true that certain tasks involve more activity in one hemisphere of the brain than the other, such as language processing in the left hemisphere, most tasks require both hemispheres to work together. The idea of being left-brained or right-brained is a popular myth that has been debunked by scientific research. Number 4. The brain's high energy demands are due to the fact that neurons require a constant supply of energy to maintain their electrical activity. The brain gets its energy from glucose, which is delivered to the brain through the bloodstream. Number 5. The speed at which the brain processes information varies depending on the task. For example, the brain can process visual information much faster than auditory information. The brain's processing speed also declines with age. Number 6. Neuroplasticity is strongest in early childhood, when the brain is still developing. However, the brain remains capable of adapting and changing throughout our lives. Neuroplasticity is involved in a wide range of processes, including learning, memory, and recovery from brain injuries. Number 7. Pain is a complex sensation that involves both physical and emotional components. While the brain itself does not have pain receptors, it is involved in the perception and processing of pain signals from other parts of the body. Number 8. The electrical activity of the brain can be measured using EEG, which records the electrical signals generated by neurons. Other techniques used to study the brain's activity include functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI, and positron emission tomography, PET. Number 9. The skull is designed to protect the brain from injury, but it is not invincible. Traumatic brain injuries can occur when the brain is jostled or shaken within the skull, causing injury to brain tissue. Number 10. Neurogenesis, the process of producing new neurons, occurs primarily in the hippocampus and the olfactory bulb. The production of new neurons declines with age and is influenced by factors such as exercise, diet, and stress. The role of neurogenesis in brain function and disease is an active area of research. And that concludes our journey into the amazing world of neuroplasticity. We hope you enjoyed learning about the brain and its incredible ability to adapt and change in response to new experiences. From the basic structure and functions of the brain to the effects of neuroplasticity on learning, memory, and recovery from brain injuries, we've covered a lot of ground. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey. We hope you gained a deeper appreciation for the incredible complexity and adaptability of the human brain.